Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I want to share something special with you. These are not just Christmas craft ideas, they are little moments of joy, kindness and creativity. Every ribbon you tie, every bell you hang and every handmade decoration you create become a part of a beautiful Christmas memory. Sometimes the best decoration is not just most expensive one. It is the one made with love, patience and happy heart. When you make something with your own hands, you are creating more than an ornament. You are creating a story. Maybe one day your children, your family, and your friends will look at that, and or your friends look at that handmade piece and remember the happy moment you spent together. That it is the real magic of Christmas. It is not about perfection, it is about sharing smiles and making memories that stay forever. Today's collection is full of beautiful Christmas craft ideas. You will see charm wreaths, cozy burlap decoration, rustic wooden design, tiny Christmas houses, lovely bells, elegant bows, festive candle pine cones, handmade stars, and many creative ornaments. Every design has its own personality and its own warm feeling. Even the simplest idea can make your home feel magical. One of the best things about this craft is not you don't need expensive supplies. Simple materials like jute rope supplies, burlap fabric, recycled wood, ribbons, old jars, paper pine cones, and tiny Christmas decoration can become something amazing. A little imagination can turn ordinary things into beautiful holiday texture. I always believe that handmade decoration have a special kind of beauty. They may not look exact like store decoration, but they have something much more valuable. They have love inside them. Every small detail reminds us to someone spent time creating something meaningful that makes every craft unique and impossible to replace. Christmas is also a wonderful time to downfall from the busy lives. Sit with your family, prepare your craft supplies, play soft Christmas music, enjoy a warm cup of tea or hot chocolate, and spend time creating together. Sometimes the quiet moments become the happiest memories of the entire. Do not worry if your craft looks different from someone else. Creativity has no rules. Every person has a different style, and that is what makes handmade art so beautiful. Your decoration does not need to be perfect. It only needs to make smile while everywhere you see it. These ideas are also perfect if you love decorating on a budget. You can reuse old decoration, recycle everyday items, and give forgotten materials a completely new life. This is not only creative but also a wonderful way to reuse waste while making your home look warm and festive. Small handmade decoration gifts can also make someone feel truly special. Imagine giving a handmade ornament, a teeny Christmas wreath, or decorated candles to someone you love. If you may cost very little, but the happiness it brings it can be priceless because it was made with specially for them. Every Christmas season reminds us that happiness grows when she share it. A simple decoration can brighten someone's room. A handmade gift can brighten someone's day. Even watching beautiful Christmas craft ideas can inspire us to creating something wonderful our sleeves. If you are decorating a small apartment, a large house, or a classroom, or even your office, these ideas can fix everywhere. A tiny Christmas corner filled with handmade decoration can completely change the atmosphere and make every space feel warm and welcoming. Nature also gives us a beautiful decoration materials. Pine cones, dried branches, berries, wooden slides, and greenery can create elegant rustic decoration. When we combine natural beauty with handmade creativity, the result always feels peaceful and timeless. I hope today's ideas inspire you to try something new in this Christmas. You do not need to copy every design exactly. Add your own colors, own favorite decoration, and your own imagination. That personal touch is what makes every Christmas decoration one of a kind. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me today. Every view, every like, every comment, and every subscription help this channel grow. Your support means so much to me than numbers. It encourages me to continue sharing beautiful Christmas inspiration with all of you. I also want to say a heartfelt thank you for everyone who has been supporting this channel from the beginning, and to every new viewer who recently joined our Christmas family. Your kindness, creative comments, and wonderful ideas make this community so warm, welcoming. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our daily Christmas craft inspiration. Share this video with your family and friends who love cozy holiday decoration. Thank you once again for being here. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Until our next Christmas adventure, keep creating, keep smiling, keep spreading kindness, and remember, the most beautiful Christmas decoration will be always a heart filled with love. And God bless you all. Take care, stay blessed, stay creative, stay inspired. I will see you in the next video. These ideas are perfect for Christmas lovers, home decorators, DIY beginners. Remember, Christmas is not only about decoration, it is about creating memories, sharing love, and enjoying every little moment with the people who love matter most. I hope you like. Take care. Bye. Stay blessed.